So one of the most common questions I get is, what are the parts that go into my Delta Pro system to be able to run my entire house? If you want to shoot me an email, you can shoot me an email to info@poweredportablesolar.com. And as well, you can find this exact same kit that I have here and the ones that I personally recommend and have tested personally by myself with my own money. You can go to poweredportablesolar.com and find those complete kits. You guys have had a lot of interest in my Delta Pro 4800 240 volt kit, because that's exactly what I have here. So with this, I have 24 200 watt solar panels. Now, in doing lots of testing, basically the 200 watt panels that I have paired with this are pretty much the only way to over panel the Delta Pro. There are other ways of doing it, but I can get the most over paneled power by using those 200 watt solar panels, which is why it's the #1 panel that I recommend, paired with this and pretty much with all the other solar generators that I have and that I've tested that are coming out and so on. So I wanted to do this video for you guys on the parts list of the Delta Pro system and exactly where to get that stuff, so that way you're getting the best price. And of course, if you want the biggest sales, go to poweredportablesolar.com. But let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna need 2 Delta Pros. So this is looking from the standpoint of I want to run my entire house, but I'm still limited to a total of 30 amps because 2 Delta Pros in a 240 volt configuration allow me to do up to 30 amps, because 24 volts times 30 amps equals 7,200 watts. And each one of these Delta Pros does 3,600 watts for a total of 7,200 watts. So bare minimum, you're going to need 2 Delta Pros. That will get you the 2 Delta Pros with the 7,200 watts inverter capacity, and then each one also has 3,600 watt hours of battery capacity, which means you're going to get 7,200 watt hours of battery capacity. And then each Delta Pro can input up to 1,600 watts of solar input, and the only way you can actually get that is by using those 200 watt solar panels, and you're doing that with 2,400 watts. So we over panel it, so we're making more than can actually go into the system, which increases our solar peak hours per day, as well as make sure we're actually getting the 1,600 watts of the rated input, because that's one of the hardest things to do with a solar generator is get the rated input. Because if you have a 1,000 watt input and you're connected with 1,000 watts, you're not going to get 1,000 watts into it. Just with the sun and haze and clouds and angle and the time of the year and which way you've got the solar panels and everything like that, everything factors in to how much power your solar panels produce. Now, the 200 watt solar panels that I use, I have personally seen them produce up to 214 watts. So more than their rated output. That's not the norm, but they're capable of doing it. And that's another reason why I like to use those panels with pretty much everything now. So minimum 2 Delta Pros. Then personally, I recommend having 4 expansion batteries, because that's going to give me the total of 21,600 watt hours of battery capacity. And in my household, we use an average of about 18 kilowatt hours or 18,000 watt hours per day. But during an emergency, I can definitely dial that back and stay closer to about 10, 12 kilowatt hours a day, which this can easily handle, even if the weather is just slightly hazy. So specifically, this is the Delta Pro 4EB 4800 240 volt kit. You'll see that on poweredportablesolar.com. It's going to come with everything you need, all the solar panels, all the connectors, everything like that, as well as this 240 volt connection hub. So each of these plugs right here is going to go into the front right panel on the Delta Pro. And once you've got it connected together, you'll be able to pull 240 volts from this hub. Now, the plug that is on here is called an L1430. Okay, so L14 is the style and 30 is the amperage. Now, this is an L1430R because it's a receptacle. And so once we've got that connected to the Delta Pros, I've got to be able to get it to my input for my interlock switch. And so I just use an L1430 extension cable. I just bought this on Amazon. It's a 10-foot cable. It allows me to keep my Delta Pro system here and then be able to connect to my outlet right there. But because my outlet uses what's called an SS2-50 plug, then I've got to have this adapter, which is L1430 to SS2-50. And that is exactly what's under here. So connected to this is a really heavy duty cable, which goes to my electrical panel. And it's got a 60 amp breaker and a little switch in it, which is called an interlock switch. And so anything that I plug into this outlet I can run my entire house with, as long as it's providing 240 volt power. And because of how it's configured, I can also even do 120 volt power and just not run the 240 volts in my house. And I'll do another video on that so it makes more sense. But I'm just going to take that extension cable of the L1430, plug it into this, and then I'm going to be able to take this and plug it straight into here, and then I'm able to run my house. So all in all, it's the Delta Pro 4EB 4800 240 volt kit. I know it's a lot to say. I'll have links down below. You need an electrician to install an interlock switch on your electrical panel. The reason you do that is not a transfer switch, because a transfer switch goes to a sub panel, which has certain circuits selected. An interlock switch can run the entire main panel as long as you're not using more than 30 amps, because that's all that this can supply. So if you're trying to run an air conditioner and you're going to use more than 30 amps, you're just not going to be able to, because this system right here can't push out more than 30 amps at 240 volts. Or get the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel, which will automatically turn everything on for you. This is a manual transfer, whereas the Smart Home Panel would be an automatic transfer. And then you get your L1430 extension cable, and then you get your L1430 to SS250 adapter, or whatever plug is installed in your outlet for your interlock switch. It could already be an L1430, in which case you don't need an adapter, you would just need an extension cord. So by having all of that done, I'm able to run my entire house. So want to keep this short and sweet. Thank you so much for telling me about this video that you wanted me to make. That way I could help you guys out. Any other videos or interests you guys may have, please comment down below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. And of course, big thank you to my subscribers and especially Patreon members. You guys are the best. Go check out all the sales and items that I recommend on poweredportablesolar.com. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you guys in the next video.